Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel. I'm Iqbal Chughtai, biology instructor with 28 years of teaching excellence. I'm here to provide you an opportunity to help you people have a very professional approach towards your biology academics. I'm teaching students of Cambridge, Edexcel, AQA, OCR globally for last many years online, as well as physical classes I am conducting in various parts of Pakistan. Here I am providing the opportunity to biology students as they are going to appear in various exams through various boards. So they need quality guidance, quality education to help them achieve their maximum grades. So here I am available to you people. You can access to my channel, you can access to me through my contact number, through my social media contacts, and I can provide you with quality education regarding biology. So if you are taking exam through Cambridge, Edexcel, AQA and OCR, either you are appearing in GCE, O and A levels, IGCSE or GCSE. So you can contact me for the quality education and for quality updates regarding biology. So please subscribe my channel and like it, so that you will be updated for any video that is launched on this channel. Thank you very much.